In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a pie graph into Excel. So I have some data here. This is kind of some sad data, but motor vehicles, occupants killed, and then it shows by vehicle, and then depending on the vehicle type, how many people died or how many occupants of those vehicles died, types of vehicles. So to insert a pie graph, we just need to select our data, go to the Insert tab. We have this pie option here. 3 different options. I'm going to start actually with the option that I've used the least, donut option. And so with the donut, it's kind of like a pie graph, but this one seems a little bland actually. I like seeing the percentages in the graph, and I like seeing the donut a lot thicker, as I would a regular donut. There we go. See, this option even gave us labels, and we can actually change this even more with callouts. This is nice because then you could actually move these around if you want. I think this is better for a presentation. So there's the donut, and then you have all these different styles you can choose from. Oh, and we can also move the legend where we want. We can move this to the bottom. And yes, we can change this to it's late. Okay. So that is the donut graph. Or donut pie graph. A lot of different ways you can slice it. So if we select it, we can go to chart design, change the chart type. This is a cool one. This is actually great for presentations. It's like a 3D pie chart, and if we select this, if we flip through here, because you're definitely going to find something cool. Black background. I like the one that has the clean corners. Yeah, this one right here. This would be great. I just gotta fix these callouts, spread them out a little bit. And for some reason, they're a little slow to react sometimes. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And just like with the donut, you can change where you want the legend to appear, and we could take out the data labels completely, or we can, oh, that just took my callouts back to where they were. I want to Control Z because I liked what I had. So I actually already have the callouts, but I don't know the difference between those two options. Well, anyways, you have a few different options. Same with the title. Above the chart, centered overlay. I kind of want to go back like how we had it before. The last option, I'm gonna go to chart design. This is like your standard pie chart. And we have the same options. We change the same 3 options with chart title, data labels, and legend. under the same category, there's two other types, and these are a little different. Some of you may have not have seen this before, but this is basically my pie chart with two of the lowest categories in one area. And then so they just give you an exploded view of some of the smallest categories. So this would make sense if you had, I don't know, if we had like 3 that were under 500 and they're really hard to see in the pie chart, but they're data that you really want to focus on and compare against, then this would definitely make sense. And I think the last option, I've actually never used the last option, but I think it's the same. Yeah, this is the same, except you have like this cumulative bar instead of a pie graph where the smaller data sets will populate. And that's it. So I hope you were able to take something out of this, and I'll probably make a video later, since there's a lot of different things you can do with pie charts, and maybe focus on the formatting and just how you can improve the looks. But thanks for watching.